All right, guys. So this is the review booklet. It starts with the topic outlining, meaning these are the 4 things you should know from each of our 8 subjects. Starting with back with our very first unit, we had methods in science, and so you need to know the basic steps of science, scientific method. What other steps? Experimental design. How do you set up an experiment? What technology? How have we made advancements? Why do we use different technology and different things? And what is the importance of science? In properties of waves, we talked about energy and waves, how it's energy that moves. Light and sound, the difference between light waves, sound waves, wave behavior, and earthquake waves, seismic waves. Those are the 4 main topics that we had there. Properties of matter, you had to know atoms, elements, compounds, what happens with atoms and heat, how do they go through different phase changes, and properties of a pure substance. Energy is conduction, convection. You need to know electromagnetic waves, conductors, insulators, main things that we needed to know for energy. Astronomy, you need to know the Earth, the Sun, and the Moon. Where are they located? How are they moving, etc. The solar system, how is gravity affecting different the planets, the Moon, etc. And what have we done for space exploration? And then Earth composition. Earth composition is the layers of the Earth. You should know the 4 layers. Plate tectonics, how are they moving? What are the 3 ways that they're moving? Soil, what makes up good soil? Stewardship is how are we taking care of the Earth? Plants, you need to know their form and their functions. How are they made? What are the main things? The pistil, the stigma, the style, the ovary, main things. What is needed for survival and reproduction? What is photosynthesis? What is respiration? Remember, those are opposites. Photosynthesis uses something, creates something. Respiration uses what is created and makes it back, forming a pattern. Lastly is ecosystems. Ecosystems is how energy in an ecosystem, plants in an ecosystem, abiotic, biotic factors, and biomes. Meaning, how does the energy travel? Okay, which direction does it go? In all directions. How does energy travel? Why is there, what different plants can be in different ecosystems? Abiotic, non-living, biotic, living, how they're all created, and then the specific biomes. So those are going to be, that's kind of the topic we're going to cover in this review booklet.